Hey everybody, thank you for taking your time to check out this video. I truly appreciate it. If you like it, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't, do all the same things, but leave me some constructive feedback so I can make my channel a better thing to watch. First and foremost, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So tonight I wanted to give a real high overview of how I pick my next plays. I use this free stock screener at finviz.com. The only issue that I see so far with the stock screener has been the amount of pop-ups that you get, but it is a free stock screener, so you get what you pay for, and since you pay nothing, you get a lot of stock or pop-ups. You can do everything from opening up a screener and building your own specific ones by choosing all. You have all these different things that you could pick from, as far as like the volume, the relative volume, the price, volatility, all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to concentrate tonight on the pre-built-in ones. The first one I wanted to look at is the horizontal support and resistant one. So the first thing I do is when I click on it over there, I like to change my order to price from lowest to highest because I don't have the most money in the world. And then I just take a look at reading the stocks. Tonight I'm looking for a day trade to swing trade, so I'm not really concerned with the company's financials and a deep dive into it, but I'm looking for something that's kind of trending on an upward pattern or looks like it does have potential to go that way. So ITP, I look here and I see that kind of looks like we already missed the boat. Could have possibly missed the boat, but it's in a downward trend. This had some funky spike go on there, but it looks like there's a lot of room to go with it. You can also see that the resistance and support line where the chart is built off of, it's real definite in this one, like you can really see it. So what I would do is I would right click on it, open it up in a new tab so I don't forget which one I'm looking at. The next one I like to look at is the multiple bottoms to see if there's anything there. This right here, you can see it's already had its run and now it's kind of consolidating. Missed the run. And it looks like that's pretty much it with all of those. This is a huge drop. I would try and shy away from that. This could potentially turn into a cup and handle, but it's not really what I'm looking for at this time. I would also check out the double bottom. And right here was the one that I had found earlier, so in all transparency, I was looking for it again. So this stock right here, you can see that it's got the double bottom. That bottom is a strong support, because you've had multiple bounces off of it. It was in a downward trend, hit the bottom again, and now it looks to be consolidating towards the side, so this could be another good play. So I would usually go through this and find about 5 to 10 different stocks that I want to look at and try and line up my plays for this coming week. Tonight we'll just go through 2 of them. So the first one we opened was dogs. So dogs right here, you can see it gives you a bigger overview of the chart. You can really see that it does a lot of jumping around. It looks like it's kind of at the bottom of the new support line, so it could be a good time to jump in. And based on what I'm looking at, this all lines up for something that I would potentially jump in, and I would take a close look, or not even a close look, just a quick look at any news. I see that on March 2nd, which was this morning at 9 a.m., it launched a new state-of-the-art GPS tracker. Now this candlesticks and stuff like that don't show you in detail of how the stock performed today, but I do see that it had news. Going to the next one over, which is this ESGC. I see that, I like the downward trend, I like the double bounce, and then the consolidation to the side. The double bottom looks to be about 20 cents lower than what it's at right now, but there was also this bounce right here that brought you a lot closer to the 194 that I'm looking at. I scroll down to see if there's any news. Once again, here's some more pop-ups like I mentioned before, and I see that on Monday It caught a deal, strategic plan with the European output deal with Amazon. I don't know what that really means. So just to choose between the two of them, I would go ahead and open up these news articles. Just give it a quick read. So this one's pretty self-explanatory. It's a GPS dog tracker or pet tracker. So I assume it's dog or cat. So I don't know. People love their animals. That seems like a pretty strong play. This one right here for the ESGC Global Entertainment Company announced the Amazon Prime Video. Today they have closed a multi-year first window output deal. Effective immediately, this deal expands on existing multi-territory output partnership the two companies signed UK, France in 2020. So they are already working together. They struck a deal in 2020. Go back up here. And it looks like, so the downward trend started in 2020 and now it's hit the double bottom. So personally, I would shy away from this one as a possible day or swing trade, just based on the fact that they announced a new deal that they were with the company that they were already working with in 2020, and it still didn't save them from the downward trend that they were in. So my new play that I would pick based on this quick overlook would be DOGZ. Join me in the next video for an in-depth look at DOGZ and see what I found in my research.